You have no reason to touch me. I'm not kidding. Let me go.
Before you hurt yourself.
The power of meth compels you. The power of meth compels you. Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Karen Turns Psycho When Police Refuse to Treat Her Special by Uncovered.
Why would I be searched? I'm a passenger. You have no reason to touch me. I'm not kidding. Let me go.
Before you hurt yourself.
The power of meth compels you. The power of meth compels you.
After pulling over a driver for not wearing his seatbelt, the traffic stop quickly turns chaotic when a canine alerts to drugs inside the vehicle.
Hello.
Buddy.
How's it going today?
All right, what's the problem?
Good. I'm just pulling you over for not wearing seatbelts. All.
It was on, bud.
It was not on.
It was too on.
We got 4K cameras. It was 100% not on. I was watching.
All right, buddy.
All right.
What
You got your
say, bud?
license with you?
Yeah, it's right there.
You're really going to tell me it wasn't on?
I'm not going to
argue
argue
with you
about being a dick. Is it?
Okay.
A seatbelt?
Yeah.
Fuck
Okay.
out of here.
I mean, you can think it's
A law's a law, bro. Don't start acting like that.
petty if you want, but still saying you don't need to lie. You still live in that?
I am.
Perfect.
Can I go then? Because I live down the street and I want to.
No, but when we're done, you can go.
I'm not the driver and I'm wearing my seatbelt.
I'm telling you, you can't leave, so no, we'll sum it up.
Don't speak to me then.
All right. Do you have insurance on the car, sir?
I mean from here
What's
out,
that?
Do you have insurance on the car?
It's in there, isn't it?
This is a shit attitude for no reason.
I don't feel good and I want to
Exactly.
go home.
Okay.
In the back.
Okay, sorry your driver wasn't wearing a seatbelt. That's our fault.
That's not my fault either, though.
You should have told him to put it on.
Traffic stop.
No, I'm just in the passenger
You
seat.
gotta get up with it. A lot of people. Oh.
I just got a ride from the food pantry. My food's in the back.
Okay, you
Just give me a
can't
ride.
leave.
Okay, then call your supervisor. Ask
For
him the
what?
rules, because I'm still
The
not
rules or the law?
I'm not doing anything. I'm a passenger.
And you're not free to leave on a traffic stop right now. Okay?
Call the
Everybody always says call your supervisor like that's gonna change anything. I don't understand
on
it.
the shift.
Well, no, you wanted a supervisor, so I'm getting her a supervisor.
I'm talking to him now. So.
I know, I'm just letting you know. He said he didn't want problems, so.
My boy was trying to finish his
Can
sandwich.
you roll your window up real quick, ma'am?
No, it's hot.
Okay, we're gonna run the dog, so you're going to roll the window up. It's a risk.
I demand a supervisor.
And a supervisor is on the way.
Here we go.
The canine begins its search and immediately alerts to drugs inside the vehicle.
So we're gonna search the vehicle, gives the canine alert, and then we'll be all done, all right?
Yeah, do what you gotta do, bro.
Can you go and hop out for me?
Yeah.
Do I stay?
Yeah, stay there for right at the moment.
You may not.
Go.
Can I take the seatbelt off or not?
Yeah, just stay right there, though.
Okay, so an on-shift supervisor is on the way. He will be here shortly.
I just wanted his name.
Nice sunny day. It looks like it's early in the morning. Actually, it's 3 in the afternoon, and they're just trying to do their drugs in peace. Okay.
I still need it, please. That's all I
He's
need.
on the way.
Making a
He's on the way. You are going to be asked to exit the vehicle here shortly.
Can I get out now then, please? I'm sweating.
Not yet. Just give it a second. Once he's done, I'm going to send you back there.
You will not.
Huh?
Touch me.
What?
You will not touch me.
You're going to be searched.
Why would I be searched? I'm a passenger. I want an ambulance then. You have no reason to touch me.
Canine
No,
alerting.
I'm a passenger. Let me go.
Breathe.
No.
No, you just need to- you need to take a deep breath.
Now. I have Parkinson's disease and I want to go home. You gave me a ride for the food pantry. You won't touch me. You won't touch me.
Parkinson's disease. You don't look like you got the shakes to me.
No. You're taking demands of me. It's not fair.
No, we're not taking
Call an
demands of
attorney.
you.
I can't hear you. I'm sick.
What the fuck is she talking about?
Literally, I'm sick. Please. No,
Okay,
I'm
come
not
on.
listening.
Come on.
Thank you. Where's my hat? My hat.
Okay, so you're going to come back here with him.
My shirt. I'm leaving. I'm going home.
No, you're not. You're not, or else you're going to be placed under arrest.
I'm not being touched.
Okay.
Stand over here. Put
What
your
the
purse down.
heck?
Put your purse down.
No.
Put your purse
No.
Put your hands behind your
No.
back. Put your hands
no,
behind your
Brett.
back.
Brett, call the ambulance. No, I'm not doing anything. No.
Why do we have one resisting?
Video.
No. No.
Really? You gonna act like you 5 years old?
No.
Do you want to stand up?
No. I want you to
Do
leave.
not kick. Do
I'm not kidding.
Do not
Let me go.
Before you hurt yourself.
Calm down before you hurt
Let me
yourself.
go.
Before you hurt
Stop.
Let me go. Sorry.
You gotta stop messing around.
Stop.
Stand up.
Yes.
Stand up.
I don't
Stand
want
up.
you to touch me.
Come on.
You're touching me.
You're going
You're
to-
touching
come on.
me.
You're
You're
on
touching
there.
me.
Come on.
Don't touch me.
Stand up.
No.
You're going to hurt yourself. We don't want you to hit your head.
Exactly. Stop being so stupid.
You need to stand up. Yes, you
Stand up
can.
right now.
We're going to help you up. Come
3,
on.
2, 1, up.
Stand up.
Thank you.
Oh.
Stand up.
Okay.
Stand up.
Let my leg get it.
Okay.
I have a
Stand right
disability.
now.
Get your leg.
Calm down. watch this back.
I bet he over there looking like, look at this.
Hey,
I know I would be.
No!
Stop.
No! No!
You're gonna get tased. Stop, or else you're going to get tased.
Definitely gonna get tased.
Clear on the ground. Clear on the ground. Fine. On your face. On your stomach. Lay your hand behind your back. Lay your hand behind your back. Wild.
Exactly.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Please help me, Brent. Please help me.
Don't worry about that.
No, you can't take my bag. I'm just a passenger. I'm just a passenger.
I'm tired of this.
Exactly.
I'm just a passenger.
Okay, stand up. Roll over in your back.
I'm just a passenger.
Okay, sit up, please.
She's got to be like 60 going on 5 years old, bro. What was the point of all of this?
I'm just a passenger.
Sit up.
Sit up. Come on. Come on. I don't want to.
What the f- she got? What the f- did she got in there for her to be acting like that?
You can lean against the car and record all you want, but first off, she's instructed to get out, and obviously
And I
she's
asked
doing
him,
the
and I told her what she was before you approached her. So you guys actually provoked that with your knowledge of how you handle your public. That's your fault. Yes,
It's all our fault. Okay. Will you lean against my car like we were told you?
Yeah.
I'm only gonna tell you one more time. I'm not. You're still the
I'll
one
sit in
that.
my car, 'cause I own this car.
You're still the one that's pulled over.
I am.
You're still the one that's obviously being searched for
I
narcotics.
work to pay your guys' wages.
Okay, just turn around, put your hands way back.
What have I done? I'm talking to you.
No,
I'm
you're not.
sitting on the car, and you're arguing with me. What have I done to you?
This is simple. I'm tired of telling you what to do.
I'm sitting on the car. Okay. What did I do to this dude, man? Well, we're gonna figure that out here in just a minute.
You don't listen. That's the problem.
I'm sitting on the car, literally. And
No,
you put me in.
you're not. You're the one that's on the
You guys
traffic
did this in
stop,
my
right?
You was trying to be and now you about to go to jail too with methane.
15-year-old daughter. You remember that?
Okay.
Got to be more careful.
Okay, I don't really care what you're telling me, man. Turn around. Spread your feet.
Okay, I've been searched 3 times now already, dude.
That's okay. Yeah. I know. So let me get this right. Were you the one pulled over? Correct. And were you on a traffic stop? Correct. And were you the one sitting here just running back and forth like you think you own the show?
No, I'm standing here by this when they come up
He
to the
was.
car having a problem, and
Yeah.
I backed off the fucking car.
Well, how
sir.
about you be helpful instead of sitting there being the problem all the
I
time?
did, and I told
No,
you
you're
about
not. You're going back and forth sitting here trying to talk shit. It's
I've
ridiculous.
done nothing wrong to you.
Okay.
I want to adjust your legs. I don't want you to be stuck in this position.
Okay.
Hey, Parkinson's disease, sir.
We just need to.
If you got Parkinson's, why's you acting a damn fool? Like if you got the disease or something, wouldn't that prompt you to not act so stupid, right?
Adjust your legs.
Please. I'm sitting. I am
Well, now,
I know.
I am
No,
sitting.
you're gonna fall backward.
No,
Ma'am.
I am sitting, sir.
Okay,
ma'am,
I'm trying
I don't
we
have
want
the
you to
strength.
sit up over here.
I don't bend that way. I don't.
This is the normal way I leg bend.
Ma'am,
Look at that.
we're trying to stop you from
What the fuck are we watching, bro?
These are backwards. These are backwards. These are
See,
backwards.
you're trying to fall.
I have Parkinson's. Please, please.
We're trying to help you, but you're not listening.
I don't have the muscle control.
All right, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Perfect.
Lean her against the car.
Come over here, please.
My glasses, please don't step on them.
Okay.
Standing here by this when they come
You
up.
stand right here.
I can't hold myself up.
Okay.
You don't understand. No.
All right, are you Jenny?
No.
Jenny from the block?
Jenny?
Yes. 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 Yes.
Stop.
Yes.
Stop. Boy, you are not real bright, huh?
What the fuck are we doing?
She is not. She gotta be bleeding from the head, bro.
I can't lift my seat. I have my seat.
Yeah, you just give random people rides, or how do you even know her?
I've known her for quite a while, buddy, and she's sick.
Okay.
So I'm sorry, you guys.
What do you? Okay, it's whatever.
He's just being a great friend. She probably got some good, you know what?
I can't lift my feet.
That's fine. You haven't lifted your feet once.
Easy go.
I can't.
Knee in the car.
I can't.
All right.
I can't.
3, 2, 1.
I can't.
Ma'am.
I'm going. I'm trying. I
Okay.
swear.
All right, then we'll give you a moment. Here.
Please, I
Let's go and get up.
Please, God. Please, God. Thank you. I can't do my
There we go.
I can't
This gotta be the worst traffic stop ever, bro.
do my leg. It's
What today?
this one. It's this one. I can't do it.
You know how hard it is to be trying to pick up somebody's body weight when they just throwing themselves to the ground? Male or female, it sucks.
Get your feet in.
I can't do it.
In your panties.
I can't. I can't. Okay. Okay.
Pick the head up.
I can't. I swear.
Oh my goodness.
What are you doing? They're backwards. My hands are backwards.
That's
No,
how
I'm
they
saying-
supposed to be, lady. That you acting like a nutcase right now.
She did have meth on her, so is there going to be anything on you down your pants?
Didn't
or
I say
anything?
it?
Okay.
I don't know what she had on.
Well,
What's
listen.
that got to do with me?
Well, you're the driver of the vehicle, right?
Okay, I
That's
took
your
her
car.
to the food pantry. I left work with tumble
You
set.
should know who you're giving a ride to.
Listen,
friend?
before I ask
A
you,
friend who smokes methamphetamine.
What?
before, hey,
So what?
stay in the car.
He might smoke it with her. Shoot.
Now you wonder why we follow you around.
Stay in the car.
Yes, I'm sorry, sir.
I'm going to read your rights before I keep asking you
Yes,
anything.
okay, thank you.
Just going to let you know, meth inside your vehicle.
Okay.
So,
It wasn't on my possession or me.
was it on you? No.
Okay, so
But
am I
you're-
being detained again?
If I own a vehicle or...
What are we doing here, man? Come on.
Well, I'm leaving you in here because she's banging off
I
everything.
understand that, dude. I promise. Can I stand out? I'll stand in
No,
front of the car. You're
fine.
fine.
Walk with me in
Thank you.
front. Literally going to read you your rights because if you want to talk, but like I'm telling you right away, there was meth. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer. Have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford
That sucks.
to hire a lawyer, want to be appointed to represent you for any questioning if you wish. Dog alerts. Pastor doesn't want to identify herself.
I told him I had pot on me.
Yes, that is what you told me, but you told me it was legally packaged, correct?
Just legally packaged.
So I'm not going to get you out of the car to search for that because you're legal. Passengers inside the vehicle, so when the dog alerts, you get the vehicle and the passengers inside there. She obviously instantly started freaking out. She gets out.
Yeah, this wasn't warranted at all. She pretty much prompted their spidey senses. That was stupid.
Slams herself, bangs her head, all that magic. You're back here walking back and forth recording. 'Cause I'm getting
Facts.
there. I said explain myself. I'm not, literally, you're supposed to be on a traffic stop standing here and this is you. You guys fucking suck. You guys suck. This is all you guys you suck. So I'm letting you know. You're supposed to be on a stop. You're supposed to be staying put. You're back and forth walking, pacing, talking shit.
Standing right there with that car.
Yeah, and well, that's not helping my situation.
you're right.
You should be here and chill.
I swear, I'm not being difficult. I swear. Please fix my shirt.
I will when we get you out. Bring your little leg out.
I have a problem with my. I can't. I'm sorry, I'm not kicking you. I have.
Okay, there's a foot. Step there. Step on. Step down. What are we here for?
I have no idea. I have no idea.
Possession of meth resisting with injury times 2.
I have no idea. I was in the passenger seat. I wasn't even.
Did you fight with them?
But I have a people on. I don't know what happened.
Finish the AWOW and I'll be in. I don't have her. I literally straight from the scene brought her here, so I'll come in. I'll fill one out.
Do she really got Parkinson's? She keeps saying that. I'm starting to believe her.
Upon searching the vehicle, officers located 1.1 grams of a crystal-like substance which tested positive for meth. The
So do the meth help with Parkinson's? I'm lost.
suspect was arrested for drug possession, battery on an officer, resisting arrest, and obstructing justice. She
Damn.
was found guilty on all charges except obstructing justice, which was dismissed in court. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, and be sure to subscribe for more bodycam footage daily.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. See you guys for the next video. That's going to be the pinned comment in this on this video. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and comment as well, as it helps my page tremendously. And that's it, baby. Away. Out. See you at the next video premiere that's premiering right after this one.